Welcome. This is the fourth video of algebraic of the basic math, the third of algebraic expressions. It's about factorizing. Factorizing basically has only one rule and a general rule. The one rule is the reversed third rule of the expand. A square minus b square is basically a plus b into a minus b. So basically, a square minus b square will be developed into. The easier method to do this is giving a value of a here. So this is a square. We're gonna give a value of a. So 4 is basically 2 to the power 2. And x to the power 2 is already powered. Minus b square is 9, so it is the b is 3 and the power 2. So basically it is 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 3. If you memorize the multiplication table, it would be easier for you. The general rule is called the common factor rule. The common factor rule consists of searching for things common between this and this. First of all, let's search for letters. There is x letter here, but no letters here. This means that there are no common letters between the two. Now common numbers. This is basically 3 and this is 9. 9 is 3 times 3. So we have a common 3. We add the 3 here and we open the bracket. If we divide this by the common, what will be the answer? 3x over 3, it will be only x, plus 9 over 3, it will be only 3. This is called the common factor. Reversing the first and second rule of expand are also rules of factorize. But don't consider them as rules, just memorize them in the expand and it will be easier for you in the factorized version. If you find that a square and b square are contained here, so that it means it is a reversed second or first rule of expand, which means 9x square is basically 3x square. This is a square. Plus 25 is basically 5 square. If we expand this, or if we show the 2 and the AB, and they are correct, which means they are the reversed version of the expand rules. The minus goes down, so basically this shows that it is the second rule. 30, divide the 30 by 2. So basically 30x divided by 2 is 15x. So we have the 2 here. We only need the AB. A is 3x and B is 5. If we multiply these together, they will give us 30x, which means this equation applies for the second reversed rule of expand. So it is a minus b squared. A minus b squared. Let's do it in another way if it is not a reversed equation. First of all, start by giving value of a. 9x squared is basically 3x squared. Then take a common 2 from this, minus 2. We are left with 15x plus 24. Consider there is no b. Forget about the b part. Then 3x squared stays the same. Then from the 15x part, remove a. Take common a. That means 3x. If we divide 15x by 3x, we are left with 5. Then we are left with 24. 5, the square of 5 should be 25, but it is not. It is 24. So this is not a reversed second or first rule. We should make it the reversed part. How? Let's write first the first two parts. And then consider this. 24. 24 should be 25, so it needs a plus 1. But we can't add 1 without subtracting 1. So we write plus 1 minus 1. 24 plus 1 is basically 25. 25 is basically 5 squared, and we have minus 1. So this part became the reversed second rule because it has negative, the reverse second rule. 3x minus 5 square minus 1. We can stop here, but it can continue furthermore. How? 3x minus 5 square minus 1 square, because basically 1 and 1 square are equal. We can add square on our own. This looks like a square minus b square, the first rule. So basically, a minus b into a plus b. So then we give an answer, 3x minus 6, sorry for the mass, then 3x minus 4. This is the final answer, the factorized final answer. Sometimes it is not the case. We can't continue from this step. And sometimes we can. Thank you for listening.